Hello again. Welcome to the diabetes series. Today, in this episode, we will learn about treatments for diabetes. In this episode, we will see how to manage diabetes and what are the treatments for type 1, type 2, and gestational diabetes. So, let's jump right into it. Let's start with understanding how you can manage diabetes. To best manage diabetes, you will need to take steps to keep your risk factors under control and within the normal range. You can manage by planning what you eat and following a healthy meal plan. Have a diet rich in fiber and low in fat and calories. It is advised to consult a registered dietist to plan your diet. Second, exercise regularly. Try to indulge in any activity you enjoy, like walking or jogging, for at least 30 minutes every day. Third, lose weight. If you are overweight, follow healthy ways to lose weight after consulting your doctor. Fourth, take the medications and insulin as prescribed by your doctor. Fifth, monitor your blood glucose levels at home. Sixth, quit smoking if you smoke. Those were some of the ways to manage diabetes. Now let's move on to treatments for diabetes. Diabetes treatment depends on the type of diabetes, your blood glucose levels, and other health conditions that you may have. For type 1 diabetes, you must take insulin every day, as your pancreas no longer makes sufficient insulin. There are different types of insulin available, including short acting or regular insulin, rapid acting insulin, long acting insulin, and other intermediate types. Depending on your needs, your doctor will prescribe you a mixture of insulin types throughout the day and night. Wondering how to take insulin? Well, insulin cannot be taken orally because stomach enzymes interfere with insulin's action. Often, insulin is injected using a fine needle and syringe or an insulin pen. You can inject insulin in the stomach, upper arm, upper leg, or buttocks. Make sure to not inject insulin into muscles, scars, or moles. For type 2 diabetes, your treatments can include medications. Some of these medications stimulate your pancreas to produce and release more insulin. Others inhibit the production and release of glucose from your liver, which means you need less insulin to transport sugar into your cells. You might also have to take insulin and change your lifestyle, such as losing weight, making healthy food choices, and being more physically active. For gestational diabetes, your initial treatment might include modifying your diet and getting regular exercise. If the target goal to control your blood sugar level is not met or your glucose level is still very high, your doctor may start prescribing medications or insulin. Now you know what are the treatments for diabetes. To learn about the complications of diabetes, stay tuned with Arogya Drishti. Arogya Drishti provides you an easy and convenient way to organize, access, and share your medical reports at your fingertips.